Okay, so today you guys can see that my front flower bed is just covered in weeds. Now, I used a weed barrier here, but it does not work at all. I'm going to show you what you should use a little bit later, but today what we're going to talk about is what kind of weed killer to use. So this weed killer right here is by Spectracide. It's called Weed Stop for Lawns. Now, this is what you want to use on your lawn, but for right here, just good old Roundup is perfect for this area because all these plants are fake, so we don't have to worry about that. But I do not like this little trigger that they give you. So what I did was I poured it into my pump sprayer. Now I have a backpack sprayer, but you can just get one of those handheld. They're $19 at Home Depot because using this thing is just, I don't like it at all. It's so hard to use. You got to get down there and then those fumes are going in your face. Now you do want to make sure that you're wearing safety goggles, long pants. I wear a mask just for the fumes because I'm really sensitive to that kind of stuff, but just make sure you wear your PPD. All right, so this one is actually in the concentrate form, and this will save you a lot of money. If you go ahead and get one of those pump sprayers, it makes it so much easier to use, and it will save you a lot of money over time. They do sell this in a ready-to-go thing like the Roundup here, but this will save you a lot of money over time. Now, I don't have a whole lot of weeds in my yard, and if you do have a lot of weeds in your yard, you're probably doing something wrong. So we'll touch on that too.
Okay, so the first thing you want to do is start at one side and work backwards because you don't want to be walking in, that stuff after you spray it. You don't want to get that on your shoes. So I'm just working back here. You want to keep that very low to the weed and just spray it. Make sure you get it fully saturated with that Roundup, and it's going to kill these weeds immediately. Now, this stuff is rain ready in 30 minutes. So don't spray this stuff if it has recently rained. You want to make sure that these weeds are completely dry before you apply it, or it will weaken the concentration. And this is the side of my house that I use that masonry sand to create that concrete barrier instead of the weed barrier. And this is my neighbor's St. Augustine growing through. That's not coming through. There are no weeds growing in this area. Now, where I didn't put it, there's plenty of weeds, and I'm just going to hit that with Roundup, and then I'm going to go ahead and put that masonry sand up there and some more pea gravel to keep those weeds from growing. Problem solved, and you don't have to do this again. And here's the other side of my house. I actually did this pathway about a year and a half ago, and I used that same masonry sand. And again, I just have some of my neighbor's grass growing through the fence and just teeny tiny weeds that are growing right around the edges of where I put that masonry sand and the pea gravel down. I don't have any weeds in the middle of it, and I never have since I put that down. I just highly recommend you guys watching that video and doing this. So now I'm using that Weed Stop by Spectracide, and you got to look at the label for what you need for your lawn, but mine was 2 tablespoons for every gallon of water for my Bermuda. And on this side, I actually didn't use a pre-emergent because I wanted to see what would happen. And I've got quite a few weeds here, but on my main lawn over here on this side, there is barely any weeds over here. So a combination of using a pre-emergent in the springtime, mowing just at the correct height that you need to. Bermuda likes to be low to keep those weeds out of there. Mow every 3 to 4 days and make sure you're watering correctly. And you really should not have weeds like this. Fertilize, all those things that you need to do. Watch all my videos. I'll show you exactly when to fertilize, exactly how to do it, and you shouldn't have that many weeds.
So I literally sprayed these maybe 2 hours ago, and I'm going to show you up close what they look like already.
So you can see right here, these are already dead. That's with that Roundup, and it even rained last night. So this is what they look like. Now, the ones that you sprayed in your lawn, that's going to take a little bit longer for those to go away because it takes longer to get down into those roots to kill those because it's a different formula.
Just the cheap stuff that you can buy is going to work just as well as that expensive stuff that you buy from Site One. I love buying my fertilizer from Site One, but I like to go with the cheap stuff because it actually does work for a very, very low price. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tools from Stacy DIY.